When you want a nutritious meal but you're in a hurry, have this chickpea curry. In a deep preheated skillet goes coconut oil. Olive oil is okay too. Add onions and cook, add salt, and once they're beginning to caramelize, after about 10 minutes, add to the heat minced garlic, curry powder, ginger, and cook to bring out the flavors. Deglaze with veggie stock. Add chickpeas, coconut milk, maple syrup or honey, and hot sauce. I'm using sriracha. Cook while stirring. Add optional roasted butternut squash or cauliflower. For an easy roasted butternut squash recipe, check out the recent video. And bring up the heat. Then reduce to simmer until thickened, about 15 minutes. Serve over rice, and if you'd like, garnish with fresh cilantro or even chopped cashews. This is a fast, easy, and nutritious meal, and it's a great vegetarian dish too. I have a feeling most meat eaters won't even care that they're eating a vegetarian dish. Thank you for joining me. Tune in next time and I'll teach you how to make something else.
Food porn.